Welcome to an insightful exploration of cryptocurrency investment strategies tailored for the United States. In this video, we'll delve into the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies, understand different investment approaches, regulatory considerations, and tips to navigate this exciting but volatile market. So, grab your notepad, as we embark on this journey of cryptocurrency investment in the United States. Cryptocurrency investment landscape. Let's begin by understanding the cryptocurrency investment landscape in the United States. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for secure transactions. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others have gained significant attention as potential investment assets. Long-term HODLing. One common strategy is long-term holding, often referred to as HODLing. This approach involves buying and holding cryptocurrencies with the belief that their value will appreciate over time. It's crucial to research and choose established and promising projects for long-term investments. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. Dollar cost averaging, DCA, is a disciplined approach to investing. It involves investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, regardless of the cryptocurrency's price. DCA helps mitigate the effects of market volatility and reduces the risk of buying at a high price. Swing trading. Swing trading involves taking advantage of short to medium-term price fluctuations. Traders aim to profit from price movements by buying low and selling high. While potentially profitable, swing trading requires a deep understanding of market trends and technical analysis. Day trading. Day trading is a high-risk, high-reward strategy that involves executing multiple trades within a single day. Day traders seek to capitalize on intraday price movements. This strategy demands constant monitoring, technical analysis skills, and a robust risk management plan. Regulatory landscape. Understanding the regulatory landscape is paramount when investing in cryptocurrencies in the United States. Cryptocurrencies are subject to various federal and state regulations, including tax considerations. Consult with legal and tax professionals to ensure compliance. Regulatory considerations for security tokens. Security tokens represent ownership in a company and are subject to securities regulations. If investing in security tokens, be aware of the legal requirements, potential limitations on trading, and the need for a compliant trading platform. Choosing a cryptocurrency exchange. Selecting a reputable cryptocurrency exchange is crucial. Look for platforms that prioritize security, user experience, and regulatory compliance. Conduct thorough research, read reviews, and consider factors like fees, available cryptocurrencies, and ease of use. Safeguarding your investments. Safeguarding your cryptocurrency investments is paramount. Use secure wallets, both hardware and software, to store your digital assets. Implement strong security practices, including two-factor authentication, secure passwords, and regular updates. Continuous learning. The cryptocurrency market is ever-evolving. Stay informed by reading reputable sources, following industry news, and learning about new projects and developments. Continuous education will empower you to make well-informed investment decisions. As we conclude this exploration of cryptocurrency investment strategies in the United States, remember that the key to success lies in careful research, prudent risk management, and staying informed. Whether you're a long-term holder, a swing trader, or a day trader, your approach should align with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Thank you for joining us today to unravel the strategies for successful cryptocurrency investment in the United States. This dynamic market offers both opportunities and challenges, so be sure to approach it with due diligence and informed decision-making. If you found this video valuable, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are eager to explore the world of cryptocurrency investing. Until next time, may your cryptocurrency endeavors be as rewarding as they are insightful.